All right, I'm just going to put some, let me turn the little cabinet labels off. I need to fix that in my template plan. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to create a quick island here with a 6-foot island. Yeah, with that facing the other way. Okay, now to do what you want to do, you just go over here to cabinet tools and this icon here, custom countertop. If you use, I'm going to go over here to preferences. It comes out of the box using drop down icon menus. So in the drop down, you would go here to custom countertop and you just left click drag, and there's your custom countertop. Okay. Let's see. I want that. There. Okay. And as I recall your sketch, let me look at that again. Yeah, okay, it's kind of rounded. Okay, so I would click on the custom countertop and using the break line tool here in the edit toolbar, and put a break there. And then using my cursor to line it up, I'm going to put a break on the other side in the same place, left click. Now I can click on this and go to the edit toolbar and hit curve. Click here, curve. Let me look at your image again. Okay, the back is flat, so that's fine. Now I'm going to set the depth of this at 12 inches. And so that's how far it is from the edge of the cabinet. And we click here and grab this point here and just left click and drag it out. And the software is set to snap it at certain points, so it's not that hard to do. We'll take this, curve it, and then ameliorate the curve. Grab that triangular handle. I'm going to make this a little bit less round. I'm going to bring this corner in a little bit. You just manually shape this until you get the moving the various breakpoints until you get the geometry that you want. And then click here and curve that. That's basically it. I mean, that's something similar to what you sketched out. Let me move this wall out of the way. And there you go. There's your custom shaped countertop. And if you want to get it more precise than what I roughed in, you can use CAD lines. Make sure that these point or your cursor to make sure that these breakpoints line up the way you wish. And you know, this can be moved back, and then you can grab this one and use your cursor to, yeah, get the idea. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day.